Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about scientific notation. So, scientific notation is a shorthand way of writing really big numbers or really small numbers. Okay? Scientific notation is written as a product of two numbers. The first number is going to be between 1 and 9. Okay? And the second number must be a power of 10. So we're going to practice converting standard to scientific. Standard notation is just the way that you see numbers. So for example, you could see 325, that's standard. 3,117 is standard. Pretty much any way that you write a number is going to be the standard notation. So we're going to take that standard notation and create a scientific notation. So you need to create a number between 1 and 9. Excuse me. 1 and 9 by moving the decimal. Count the number of times that you move the decimal. This number will be your exponent of 10. If your number is greater than 1, then your exponent is going to be positive. If your number is less than 1, so like a decimal, your exponent will be negative. Okay? So, let us practice. Let's look at example 1, okay? So if you notice, I already have the times 10 because it's always going to be times 10. Now I'm going to look at my number. This is a big number, so that means my exponent is going to be positive. Okay, it's going to be positive. So you're going to put your decimal at the end, and then you're going to put your second decimal between the first two numbers. Okay, so I made the decimal 1.8. Now let's see how many times I moved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I moved 5 times, so my exponent is going to be 5. And I'm actually going to use a different color because, there we go. Now let's look at example 2. Okay, I'm going to put my first decimal at the end, my second decimal between the first two numbers. Okay, so the number I created is 4.2. This is a big number, so I know my exponent is going to be positive. And I moved 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be my 4. Now let's look at example 3. This is a small number, so I know that my exponent is going to be negative. Okay? They gave me my first decimal, and I am going to put my second decimal after the first not 0. So what I mean, 0, 0, not 0, decimal. Okay? That 7 was your first not 0. So then my decimal becomes 7.626. Okay? And I moved 1, 2, 3 places. So it's going to be a negative 3. Okay? Let's look at number 4. Again, this is a small number, so I know my decimal is going to be negative. So here's my first decimal, then 0, 0, 0, 0, not 0, decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 1 times 10 to the negative 5. Now, I know you guys might have questions, so if you do, if you would please come to the small groups and I can help you a little bit more. I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you guys later. Bye.